Fun Times with Food presents Making Pizza Rolls. Ingredients: egg roll wrappers, shredded cheese, pepperoni, pizza sauce, some water, and vegetable oil. Take an egg roll wrapper, add a handful of cheese, place slices of pepperoni on top, take 1 tablespoon of pizza sauce and spread evenly on top of the pepperoni. Add more cheese. Now, grab the edge of the egg roll wrapper and roll. Bring the edges in and continue to roll. With your finger or a brush, wet the edge and seal it. Place the rolls in oil to fry on a medium heat. Turning frequently until golden brown. Now, remove from oil and drain on a paper towel or a rack. There you go! Delicious pizza rolls! You can dip them in warm pizza sauce and enjoy!